Meet Maria, a hardworking Uber driver and single mom trying to make ends meet. She's been driving 10-hour shifts, yet every tax season, she feels like the IRS takes more than she can afford. Last year, she overpaid $3,200 in taxes, money she could have used for rent, groceries, or her child's school fees. But this year, she's doing things differently. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save thousands on your Uber taxes in 2024 to 2025. Just like Maria, let's go. On Maria's big mistake, not tracking deductions. Maria's first mistake? She reported her entire Uber 1099 income, but missed out on key deductions. What the IRS didn't tell her: Uber drivers are self-employed, meaning they qualify for massive tax deductions that can cut their tax bill in half. Here's how you can avoid Maria's mistake. Get your 1099 forms. Uber will send you a 1099K or 1099EC. Don't just accept it. This is gross income, not your take-home pay. You can deduct expenses. Maria learned the hard way, so let's make sure you don't. The 67 cents per mile deduction, Maria's biggest tax saver. Maria was shocked to learn that the IRS gives a huge deduction for every mile driven. For 2024, the IRS standard mileage rate is 67 cents per mile. That means if Maria drove 25,000 miles for Uber, she can deduct 25,000 miles x 67 cents are under $16,750 in tax write-offs. That's over $16,000 she didn't have to pay taxes on. Lesson learned: use apps like Stride, MileIQ, or Everlance to track every mile. It adds up fast. Uber's hidden fees. Are you forgetting these? Maria also missed an easy deduction: Uber's own fees. Uber takes service fees, booking fees, and tolls from your earnings. But did you know these are 100% deductible? Check your Uber tax summary. Look for service fees, booking fees, and tolls. Deduct them on schedule. See, last year, Maria forgot to deduct $6,500 in Uber fees. Don't make the same mistake. The biggest overlooked expense: your phone. Maria's entire Uber business runs on her phone, yet she never deducted her phone bill. Your phone and data plan are tax deductible. If 80% of your phone use is for Uber, you can deduct 80% of your bill. That's another $600 to $1,200 per year saved. Hidden deductions you didn't know about. Maria was shocked to learn she could also deduct car accessories, chargers, floor mats, dash cams, cleaning supplies, disinfectant, vacuum, wipes, snacks, and water for passengers. If you provide them, they count. Every dollar deducted is money back in your pocket. The IRS won't tell you this. Home office deduction. Maria manages her Uber income, expenses, and mileage logs from home. If you use part of your home exclusively for Uber-related work, you can claim the home office deduction. Simplified method: $5 per square foot, up to 300 square feet. Actual expense method: deducts rent, utilities, internet, percentage-based. Maria's tax bill dropped another $1,200 after claiming this. The self-employment tax shock: how to avoid it. Maria got hit with self-employment tax 15.3% last year and wasn't prepared. This covers Social Security and Medicare, and all Uber drivers must pay it. Pro tip: if you expect to owe more than $1,000 in taxes, make quarterly estimated tax payments to avoid IRS penalties. Use IRS Direct Pay or EFTPS.gov to pay online. Maria now sets aside 20 to 30% of her earnings, so she never gets caught off guard. The 2024 to 2025 IRS updates. You must know: alert mile mileage deduction increased 0.67 per mile. Child tax credit increased refundable portion, now 1,700 contributions higher. Solo 401k and IRAs allow bigger deductions. Tax brackets adjusted for inflation. Staying informed equals more money saved. Maria's tax success: what you can learn. This year, Maria did things differently. She tracked her miles and deducted $16,750, claimed Uber fees and saved $6,500. Deducted her phone, Car accessories and home office made estimated tax payments to avoid IRS penalties. Her total savings? Over $5,000. And now you can do the same? Don't overpay like Maria did last year. Use these tax strategies and keep more of your hard-earned money. Have tax questions? Drop them in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tax tips. Drive safe, save smart, and take control of your Uber taxes.